What is up guys, done at the site. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the default font system in Windows 11. So there's one simple way. Just simply click on this Windows button and then simply search for fonts. After searching for fonts, click on this button, and after clicking here under the personalization section, Windows 11 offers some pre-built fonts that you can choose from. So here, as you can see, there are multiple fonts styles you can choose from. Let's say I want this form or this font. After clicking here, as you can see, you can type here to preview it. I'll just simply type hello, and as you can see, this is previewing here. So if you like it, you can just simply keep it, or if you don't like it, you can just simply click on uninstall to uninstall it. And if you want it like light or regular, you can just select from these. And this is how you can change the system font style in Windows 11. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.